So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Sublime Text and use it to print out a simple hello world in Python. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is to open up your browser. So as you can see, I'm already using Chrome in incognito mode. Type in Sublime Text. Click on this download here. Since I'm using Windows PC, so I'll just click on this. And automatically my download has started. So the next thing I want to do is to install it. So you click on yes. Click on next, add, then click on next. Next you click on install, so it will set up your program and install it for you. Then the program has finished installing, you click on finish. So I'm going to close this. Then you go here, search, click on Sublime Text. So in your Sublime Text, what you need to do, click on file, click on new file. Then you go ahead and click on save as, click on documents, hello world.py. Always ensure you save a Python program with .py. So now our Python program has been saved. So the good thing is that Sublime Text automatically comes with Python already installed. So you have to click on tools, then you click on build system, and as you can see, Python is here. You now select Python. So next thing you need to do, let's print out our hello world. Print hello world, and then you click on Ctrl B to run the program. Click on Python, and voila, our program has been installed. That is all I have for you in today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you encountered any problem along the way, please let me know in the comment section. Till next time, I'm your guy Tech with Akan. See you again.